The Nike Dunk Low Panda is a fun and fashionable sneaker that was inspired by the iconic black and white dunk, which sneakerheads love to call the Panda Dunk. The model's primary characteristic is the harmony of the traditional black and white color scheme with a striking yellow accent. The premium leather upper tightens the iconic dunk silhouette, while the yellow accents on the inside lining and shoelaces provide a splash of color. It goes beyond just copying the color scheme and visually conveys the panda idea because the heel and shoe tongue are also embroidered with cute pandas. A feature exclusive to children's models, the detachable panda charm and the attached art stickers enhance the fun of dressing up. The outsole's brownish rubber construction adds a serene appearance to the whole design while maintaining its visibility on the street. Youngsters making their first fashion steps will love these dunks, which are a stunning blend of classic and whimsical. They will also draw attention on the street.